nawe ding antesala di Art Week nos ku segmento di Art Fashion kinang junto ko Elisa Lejoy e Candy Rasmain.
Danki Elida i nos takinang awe ku Elisa Lejoy kweta vai contanos un tiki di kiko tawata inspirasyon pa bo collection.
Well, this is my 8th collection of scarves. I have 19 different designs. They're all made of silk. I found my inspirations in the Aruba Arawaks. I think there's a lot of inspiration found in those drawings. They are 1,000 years to 2,000 years old, and I think they are very mysterious and they have like an infinite meaning. So you can look at them and you see what kind of meaning they have. And I try to mix them in a totally new look. As you can see, all my designs have a little bit of the drawings of the Aruba Arawaks. And the material is silk. Silk is very sustainable. You can recycle it. It lasts for more than over 100 years. And it's very absorbing. And my printing is digital, so it also has less waste of fabric or rest materials.
Elisa, boa invitação para a comunidade de Aruba para parte do movimento aqui.
Well, me quer invite tour e hendenang di Aruba para een show hobby original, full of art and fashion. Me te pensa het a hobby worth it para een show.
E mais danki na Elisa Lejoy Art patakunos ding e Road to Art Fashion.